Hi, welcome to today's video. Today's video is a core vocabulary word and action video, and the core vocabulary word that we're going to be targeting is little. Little is an adjective, and little means small in size or amount. Now let's find the word little on a few of our different AAC systems. On Word Power 60 Basic, the TouchChat app from Sotillo, little.
Little.
On Lamp Words for Life, little.
Little.
On Snapcore First, the 63 grid from Tobii Dynavox, little.
Little.
Now let's use our word little for a variety of communication functions. I could show by saying, this is how we write a little m. A little m. I could describe and say, that is a little ball. I could ask a question. Can I have a little piece of cake, please? I could use my word little to protest and say, I do not want
Little.
the little dino. I could give a command or direct an action and say, use
Little.
the little blocks. I could relay past and future events by saying, we saw the little baby cheetahs at the zoo. I could use my word little to make a comment and say, I made a little mistake on my worksheet. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up down below or leave a comment because I would love to hear from you. But more importantly, it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe to my channel down below and hit the bell for notifications on when I upload new videos, which is weekly. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.